Hey friends, if you encounter there might be a problem with the driver for the Ethernet Wi-Fi adapter, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to check the status of the WLAN auto config service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Now scroll down to the WLAN auto config service. Okay. WLAN. Wait a minute. WLAN. Yeah, here's the WLAN auto config service. Right click on it and select properties. Make sure that the startup type is automatic and it is started. Click on apply, OK, and restart your system. The next solution is a network reset. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and then select the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced network settings, click on network reset, click on reset now, and then click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.